This is Craig with Freedom Plumbers, Pumpers, Septic and Drain out here in Woodbridge, Virginia. What we have is the wires coming from inside. Oh, there's a little deal. That's cute. Anyway, from the house, they frayed, and they are too short to redo. So you can tell where the wire comes in over here. Right here. So what we're gonna have to do is rerun this wire, because that wire is not rated for underground. So we'd have to trench out here. Be careful, because the underground power comes somewhere around here, so we'd have to be careful where we dig. Trench around here all the way to just before the pump chamber. And then we will come up with a junction box, and then from the junction box we will go back into the side of the pump chamber. We'll have to create a bigger hole and then wire it up in the junction box. That way it's not in the corrosive gas. The connections are not in the corrosive gas causing problems. We did wire up temporarily to that extension cord the pump, and the pump is still working. So it's not a pump issue, it's a wire issue. So I'll get you a quote to trench it and rerun that wire and put a junction box here and by the house. Thank you.